Okay, we're back. We're going to start with building the cross beam that goes across here. And my neighbor told me that the beam that he's going to use is going to be 9 inches tall and have kind of a cut on the end, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to go 9 inches here, and the total width is 20, so we'll make this 10. And we're going to make that 6 like the other ones. Okay, let's right click, convert it to an editable poly. Let's move that up. Now let's come over here and we'll take a look at this cut that we need to do. Okay, right to there. It's kind of a cut like this. I don't know if that's the exact angle of that cut, but I saw a picture of the beam and that's what it looked like. So let's grab this, as soon as my computer gets done thinking, we'll grab this selection here, border, and cap that. And zoom out, let's rotate around here. Let's grab polygon, let's dump that. Okay, let's go back up and let's put this where it needs to be. Okay, so we're going to move this over just a bit. Let's get that. Let's go out about that far. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's go here, grab these, and let's zero those out. Okay, now let's go up here and adjust that pivot point, center to object, and zero it out. So we'll put it right on the edge so that we do our symmetry, which is what we're going to do right now. So let's go down to symmetry and then hit flip and then right click, convert that back to an editable poly. Okay, let's zoom out. Now let's grab these edges that were created right here and holding Alt deselect these. We just want that middle one, and then Control backspace to get rid of that. Now let's grab these. Actually, let's go into this side view, zoom right in. Now let's select these edges here and deselect these others, and let's do a quick chamfer, small one like so. Let's grab the other side, hold Alt, deselect the other ones, and then do another chamfer to match. There we go. Okay, so if you'll remember, now let's just pull this down. Actually, let's just hide it for now. If you remember that we needed this roof to be 8 feet tall at the highest point. So we made these 8 feet tall, but now we have a 9-inch beam. So this has to be from floor to ceiling 7'3". Okay, so let's create a plane right here. Okay, let's make that 7 feet 3 inches. Let's just drag that down. Let's drag it over. Let's drag it forward. Let's make a copy of it. Pull it over here so we have one on this side. Now let's grab this beam. Let's zoom in. Go to point mode. Drag that down to the top of that. So now it's 7'3". Get rid of this one. Zoom out. Go to the other side. Let's grab this beam. Point mode. Let's drag that down. Grab this. Delete it. Okay. Now let's unhide all. Let's grab this beam, and now let's get it situated. Let's go here, line it up, So, there we have that. So now we have our top beam put in place. And then what he's going to do is like right in here, right in this area here, he's going to notch out on both sides a 4" by 4" block or hole that he's going to have another beam that comes this way from the roof down at a slant, and it's going to notch this out and set those beams in those notches. So on the next one we'll continue on with that, so hang in there and stick with me.